All right, so picture this. It's Friday night, I'm hungry, I want pizza. And sure, I could just tap a few buttons and order takeout, but where's the magic in that? Today, I'm here to tell you exactly why homemade pizza beats takeout, every single time. Let's start with the basics. Making pizza at home means you're in control. The crust, the sauce, the cheese, heck, even the toppings nobody else likes but you. All your call. Ever wanted extra pineapple or double mushrooms or just like a mountain of cheese? Go for it. There's no one behind the counter giving you the side eye. And let's talk about freshness. Homemade pizza starts with real ingredients, straight from your kitchen. That dough you mix and knead, it's alive, it's fluffy, it smells amazing. Store-bought crust can't even compete. And don't get me started on that tomato sauce. When you make it yourself, you get to taste the tang of fresh tomatoes, garlic, and herbs. No weird preservatives, no mystery flavors. Now toppings. With takeout, you're stuck with whatever they've got. But at home, the sky's the limit. Want to try smoked salmon and capers, or maybe roasted butternut squash and blue cheese? Nobody's stopping you. Your pizza, your rules. Plus, let's be real. Takeout pizza can get soggy or greasy by the time it lands at your door. But when you pull a homemade pizza out of the oven, it's piping hot, the cheese is bubbly, and the crust is perfectly crisp. That first bite, it's pure joy. You can actually hear the crunch, but honestly, the best part about homemade pizza is the experience. Throw on some music, invite your friends or family into the kitchen, and suddenly dinner is an event, not just a meal. Everybody gets to make their own mini pizza masterpiece. You laugh, you joke, you might even have a little flour fight. It's not just about the food, it's about the memories you make. And here's a secret: homemade doesn't mean hard. With a simple dough recipe, a can of tomatoes, and a handful of cheese, you're halfway there. No fancy equipment required, just your hands and a bit of love. So next time you're craving pizza, skip the soggy takeout. Roll up your sleeves, get your hands messy, and create something delicious right at home. Trust me, once you've tried homemade, you'll never look back. Homemade pizza isn't just better, it's a whole experience. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you've got a wild pizza combo, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious adventures. See you next slice.